Hi friends, welcome to Paint and Talk. Let us draw a tulip flower. For this I am drawing a small ellipse and then I am dividing it to two equal parts by drawing a line and then draw a U shape, a letter U. Draw a letter U and then draw the guidelines for the petals. After finishing the guidelines, I am modifying the petals. Now let us draw the stem. Friends, whatever picture you are drawing, whatever object you are drawing, you should draw the guidelines first. First finish the line drawing and then modify the shapes. After modifying the shapes, erase the guidelines and then give the outline. For giving the outline, I am using the black gel pen. You can use sketch pen, it is your choice. Friends, if you are new to my channel, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like, share. Okay, next let us draw the stem with the black gel pen. After finishing the outline, the next important part is my favorite coloring part. Friends, hobbies, learning new skills improves and strengthens our immune system. For strengthening that immune system, when we are learning a new hobby or when we are spending some time in creating something or learning a new skill, there are some hormones which will strengthen our immune system will be released. So do you know those hormones? If you know, please let me know in the comment section below. In the next video, I'll come up with a concept that how learning a new skill will strengthen our immune system. Until then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe, enjoy the process, happy trying, bye bye.